Nobody cares what you're going through. Work harder, become wiser, get better results. You want long hair? I got you. You want to manifest it quickly? No problem. What about a flat stomach? Same thing? I'll show you how, but it'll take some work. One thing about me, I'm obsessed with having a flat stomach and long, big hair. You can either judge me for it, or you can keep on watching to find out how I get these results. I'll show you my obsessive meal prepping, and this week I'm going to show you how I cook my favorite Nigerian dish. Then it's off for a night out with my friends, and I will show you how I prep my hair to get it straight and flowy before I head out. And I mean my version of straight and flowy, because I don't like stick thin hair. Sorry. A look at my maintenance routine. I love a fresh set, honey. Grace. That's what my angel bun is giving, and I'll show you how I do it. Nothing beats my hair stretching routine, and I'm going to show you a little bit of it. And I see your comments. I know you all want the full routine, and I promise it's coming, but just take this for now, okay? Are the results worth it? I think so. I no longer silk press my hair, so it shrinks up about 4 inches when I straighten it, and it keeps getting longer, so I don't mind. I ended up actually wearing a gele because I always wear my hair down and I wanted to do something different for once. Come with me into my world. It's fun here and everything smells like vanilla. You have to be mentally tough. Nobody cares what you're going through. How badly do you want it? You're feeling sad? You're feeling alone? Honey, I found you a friend. You want to have the biggest glow up of your life, mentally and physically? Don't worry, I got you. Here's the cheat code, honey. Whether you're doing it for yourself, your health, your crush, or your hairs, I don't care. I don't judge, and quite frankly, it's nobody's business. I'm just here to show you how to get a snatched body and grow your hair. What you do with your newfound power, well, that's between you and your God. Here's my cheat code for getting a snatched body. Yoga and meditation, sprints on the treadmill, going to the gym to walk for an hour, and then going ahead and doing my ab workouts. I will take you through them all. Okay, let's get right into it. If you talk to yourself like you're nothing, people will treat you like you're nothing. You need to let go of who you were and change the inner dialogue that's going on in your mind. If you don't do that, there's absolutely no point to all of your hard work. Time to hop into my sprinting workout. Don't know why I was so excited, but here we go. So today I'm going to show you all how I do my HIIT workout, and it's something that I've just started doing. One of my friends recently watched my video. He's like really into fitness, and he's like, oh my god, you're doing so amazing, but you do know you can burn those calories like in 20 minutes if you wanted. And you told me about HIIT before, and I never really paid it any mind, but I was like, okay, you know what? Some days I am in a rush and I really just want to burn my calories and go. I'm not going to lie, like when you're in the middle of it, it's really tiring, but the great thing is you can be done with it in 20 minutes and you can just burn all those calories in 20 minutes, and you just have to like buckle down and really try your hardest. After that, I do 5 sets of 10 reps of bicycle crunches. I just started doing this to flatten my stomach even more. Hello. Hi, can I have an iced vanilla latte with coconut milk, please? Thank you. Small iced latte? Yeah. The coffee had me so hyped, and I went to the gym and checked myself out in the mirror before I got on a treadmill. And let me give you all the details on my hair. So I had wash day last night, and I banded my hair after blow drying it. My hair just keeps getting longer and thicker, which I'm grateful for, but it does mean that I have longer wash days, and sometimes I cannot do the flat iron and the blow dry in the same night. So I'll band my hair, and this is what my hair looks like when I take it out of the bands. This is just blow dried hair. And this is what my hair looks like when it's flat ironed lightly and stretched, so you can see the actual true length. This is what my hair looks like with the light flat iron. I still get quite a bit of shrinkage, but I do not like to silk press my hair, and I'll just have to keep growing my hair longer and longer so it looks longer even when it shrinks. And after checking myself out in the mirror, once I got to my treadmill, I shut off every other treadmill around me because OCD. I walked on the treadmill for an hour, didn't even break a sweat. Then after that, I went in the mirror to check my hair out. It's a little bit poofier, and then I headed over to Whole Foods. I cannot stress to you enough the importance of purchasing good produce. I always go to Whole Foods for my produce. Now let's get right into the meal prepping for this week, shall we? Oh my god, this is so exciting. Here we go. So I've got all my Tupperware and my produce laid out, and I cannot wait to use these peppers. And of course, as always, I will be meal prepping my breakfast as well. And I think this time I have some honeydew, and I don't remember what else I have. Honeydew and some golden berries. I saw somebody ask in the comments in the last video what the yellow berries are. They are golden berries, and they are absolutely delicious, and I highly recommend them. I really have like a million health benefits, but I don't even remember what, but they're just so good for you. Before cooking, I lightly flat ironed my hair and put it into my signature bun. I get so many compliments on this hair bun. It is so angelic and so alluring, and it looks best on 4C hair, and I feel so bad when other people with different hair types ask me, how I do this bun. It can be achievable for other hair types, but it would involve like a lot of hairspray and a lot of teasing, and it's just very effortless for us. I love having pretty hair and I love having pretty accessories to put in my hair. I love this one. I just got it on my most recent trip to Cali, and this one is my standard one. A lot of these are from Ulta, and I'm currently working with a jeweler who's helping me design an 18 karat gold one, and I can't wait to show you all. Alright, now that my hair is up and out of the way, we can get right into the meal prepping. And as I'm meal prepping, I'm going to give you all some advice on your glow up journey. I want you to know something. There are people out there who are dependent on your failure. Their sense of self-worth is based off of the illusion of being better than you. The minute that you begin to rise, they will not know what to do with themselves because they were never actually taught to love themselves. They were only taught that they were superior to you. Look at me. Do not let them win. Do you want to know how you win? You focus on bettering yourself, you compete with yourself only, and you set your own standards and you do not budge. You do not budge on your standards. I don't care what's trending on social media. I don't care what so-and-so says down the block. You set your own standards and you dictate your own happiness. The minute you let other people set your own standards is the minute that you set yourself up for failure. Okay, now let's get started making our beef stir fry. I promise you'll love this. I am so excited because I'm cooking two of my favorite things. For dinner, I'm going to be having beef stir fry with vegetables. And for lunch, I'm going to be making one of my favorite Nigerian stews. Not only is it extremely tasty, but it also helps to burn belly fat. So I'm really excited about that. Alright, so after mixing that all up, I'm going to go ahead and put that in the fridge so it can marinate and be extremely seasoned and tasty. Alright, now while I cut and season the vegetables, I'm going to give you all some advice for your glow up journey because it goes beyond just losing weight and growing your hair out. People who make you feel bad about yourself are a disease. I need you to know this. They will slowly seep into your subconscious and you'll begin to internalize their thoughts and their beliefs. And before you know it, you are living in a reality where you are unworthy and undeserving of happiness. Do not let that happen. You have to realize who you are, step up, and be the main character in your own life. Some of you are out here playing supporting cast in your own lives, tagging along, playing follow the leader simply because you just want to feel included. If you like that, I love that for you. But me personally, that's just not an option. There's one thing that I've heard a long time ago that has always stuck with me, and that is happiness is not a destination place. You have to learn to be happy with the process. The worst thing that you can do is tell yourself, oh, I'll be happy when I look like this, or oh, I'll be happy when I make this much money, or oh, I'll be happy when I get to this stage in life. No, you have to learn to be happy with the process. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Next, we're gonna move on to one of my favorite Nigerian dishes. I am so excited to show you all this recipe. I'm going to be using white and red onions, orange habanero peppers, green habanero peppers, beef, my favorite, cow stomach, seasoning salt, and some chicken flavored Maggi. So one thing that a lot of people don't know when they're making this is if you really want to make this extremely tasty, you can't just use regular habaneros like the ones that are always on display, the orange ones, the red ones, the yellow ones. You need to actually go and ask them for the green ones. I never find this in everyday grocery stores. I usually have to go to the African store to find the green habaneros, and they're usually sectioned off in another place separate from all the other habanero peppers. Just ask them to go get you some from the back, or if there's like a fridge or freezer that they keep them in, and those are the ones that you need. You need the green habaneros, trust me on this. Alright, so after we've cut everything up and we've chopped up the onions, we're going to go ahead and season it and put it on the stove. This is so important. Make sure you put the stove on a low to medium low heat. You don't want it to burn. You really want to make sure you get as much juice as possible out of the meat because you really want a lot of broth. Next, I'm going to cut up and blend my peppers and onions, and I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of water before I start blending. Oh my gosh, I was so tired, you all, but I was like, I just have to get through this because I want to make sure that I stick to my regimen and my routine, and I'm going to be happy when it's all done. So if you're getting a little bit tired, just know that you're going to be thanking yourself for it in the future because you're going to have all of these meal preps for yourself in the fridge, and when you're working hard throughout the week and chasing your goals and going to the gym and getting all of your work done, you're not going to have to stress as much about what you're going to eat, and you're just going to be able to go in the fridge and have some healthy food available for yourself. So make sure you just stick through it. I know it's really hard, but once you get these meal preps done, I promise you it's going to be so much easier. Oh my god, I was so happy to be almost done cooking. I'm just putting the stew in the glass containers, and I'm just so excited at this point because honey, I was so tired, but I gotta get the work done. It does not matter. This is seriously what I consider happiness. I finished wash day, I've put my hair in a cute bun, and I've finished meal prepping, I've I've got it all arranged in the fridge and it's just so beautiful and complete. All right, as promised, I am going to show you all a portion of my hair stretching routine. This is obviously not the full routine. It's just a small section of the routine that I do, and this is the part where I band my hair after I have blow dried and flat ironed my hair, and it's getting pretty long. Love that. So what I'm going to do first is go ahead and take down this last section that I've been waiting for, and I'm going to be using this hair cream that I've been using for the past, I don't know, I want to say like 5 years I've been using it. I keep updating and innovating it, and this is just such an amazing hair cream, and it's part of the reason why my hair is so long. I do not get any breakage, and I also top it off with my hair growth and a hair sealing oil. I've been making my own products for years now because nothing else works and nobody else knows how to do it right, I swear. I hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, thank you all so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them down below. I will try my best to get back to all of them. Bye!